Light. Have you ever wondered, when you enter in your room at the time of night, you're not able to see anything in your room? But when you switch on the light of your room, everything becomes visible. The reason is, when you switch on the light of your room, the light of the bulb falls on the objects in your room. Then it gets reflected into your eyes, and as a result of this, you can see the objects. Light is a type of radiation, that is, electromagnetic radiation. The bulbs, tube lights, are the objects which give out light. These are man-made. Sun is the ultimate source of light and energy. During the day, the light of the sun allows us to see various objects in our surroundings. On the earth, the main source of light, as we discussed earlier, is one and only the sun. Sunlight provides the energy that the green plants use to prepare their food. Sunlight also helps in the process of photosynthesis. There are various sources of light. Some are natural, while some are man-made. Sources of light. Sun and stars are natural sources of light. They emit light of their own. Such objects which emit light of their own are called luminous objects. These objects do not require any other source of light to be seen. Firefly, glowworm, and lanternfish also emit light. You can observe them glowing at night. Bulb, tube light, torch, and candle also emit light. These are the man-made, artificial sources of light. Can you see the chair, table, book, etc. around you when there is no sunlight, tube light, or light from any other source? You cannot see these objects in darkness. These objects can be seen only in the presence of a source of light. Such objects that do not have any light of their own, but are visible when light falls on them, are called non-luminous objects. Moon is also a non-luminous object. All non-luminous objects are visible due to the reflection of light falling on them. Moon reflects the light of the sun